Have you made sushi bake before? It's so good. First things first, rice. Season your salmon with garlic powder, salt, pepper, and oil. Air fry at 400 degrees for 9 minutes. Shred the imitation crab into tiny pieces. If you get tired, just use scissors. Oops. Yummy. Add your salmon. Just shred it up. Add about 3 ounces of cream cheese. 1/4 cup of Japanese mayo. Add sriracha and mix well. Then add your rice, flatten it out. Some furikake on your rice and add your salmon mix. Bake at 380 for 10 minutes. Add sriracha and spicy mayo. I have homemade spicy mayo. Top with scallions and sesame seeds.